In this video, I will be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your Roblox account. Now this time you just have to tap this three dots below to find settings. So tap this three dots at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and look for settings. Now this time, all you have to do is to go to account info. So when you tap this account info, you can see their option that says verify my age. Now, to get this feature or button, you must be 13 above. This account of mine, I can't see anything that says verify my age. Sometimes they say that it depends on your region or country. So I'm going to open my other account. Anyways, if you see that verify your age here, all you have to do is to tap that one. But in order to verify your age, you must submit the following. So prepare a valid ID. It could be a driver's license, passport, ID card, residence, and then use a smartphone. So once you have prepared all of this, all you have to do is to scan this QR code with your camera app to log in. So don't worry, Roblox is 100% safe. So once you're ready, you just have to begin your verification. So let's get started. So you have to prepare a valid government issued ID. Make sure you are in a well-lit room, okay, a clear surroundings. Be prepared to take selfie and photos of your ID. If you're okay with that, then click begin verifying. So after doing all those instructions and verifications, you will see right here age verified. So that means they have accepted your ID and your information. So what you're going to do now is to simply go to your privacy, and then under privacy, you can see their options below. You just have to scroll down. Then you will see communication. Okay, if you go to communication, you will see their microphone and camera input. So as you can see, I have enabled my microphone already. And turn it off and enable again. So as you can see, click enable. So once you have enabled your microphone setting, you just have to go to your Roblox and try to pick any game. Let's just say, for example, I want to play Please Donate. Then once you open and play that game, you will see this microphone icon here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.